You're going up or down?
Well, we're going.
Which elevator is it? Come on. That's going down. I'm going down.
Lower level.
Have a good day.
Thanks.
Shut the door on someone. Past it. This is the elevator at the Hudson Bay here in downtown Toronto. Queen Street. Fixtures.
7th floor.
Look at these collectors.
Going down.
Cabio. So disappointing. Hey.
6th floor.
There you Cabio.
Going down.
Shut the door on someone, I think. I don't know. I am not going back up to 7 because I don't know why they decided to abandon that 4 again.
Lower level.
6. It's abandoned 4. I don't know why.
Going up.
Not going back up to 7 because they abandoned 4. I don't know why would they decide to abandon.
6th floor.
That's my 4, but 1.
Going down.
Try again. It's a nice elevator. Hey, there's a toilet here. Fixtures.
1st floor. Going